Hi everyone, let's look into research methodology on Blackboard. Under Content, you will be able to find the PowerPoint under topic number 7, Qualitative Data Analysis. You can download the slides here. So, in class we have actually covered 10 slides. So we should do a workshop on how to analyze qualitative data. So once you grab this slide, so you could actually move on to slide number 15. Where you can find the 6 phases of thematic analysis. So we basically have gone through a few qualitative approaches, including content analysis, discourse analysis. But I find it is most common and more practical to actually analyze qualitative interview transcript will be thematic analysis. So let's take a look at 6 steps, 6 phases of thematic analysis by Braun and Krauss 21-8. All right. So phase 1 is to get familiar with the data, which require the researcher to keep reading the data and jot down the ideas. So later on, I will give you transcripts, which a basic transcription has been done by one of my students. All right, so it's not long. It's around 300 lines, 300 plus lines. So you need to get familiar with the transcripts. Means that you have to understand what are the questions asked and what are the answers given. All right, so you have to read through the whole transcription maybe twice or the third time in order to get the main concept of the entire research. Phase 2, to generate the initial quotes which require the researcher to quote interesting features or in a systematic manner throughout the whole data set and organize relevant data into each quote. All right, I think that is a typo error here. There's no 82. It just organize relevant data. So after you understand what they're trying to answer, you try to categorize it. What is the concept that they actually want to bring out? Okay, we call quotes. Quotes for the first time we call initial quotes. Right. So after you have those quotes, right? Let's say your quotes as a yellow, red, white, and black color. So all these belongs to color. All right. Quotes are the color, and the category will be color. All right. So you have to search for themes and grouping relevant quotes into the theme. So when you have found the categories, and the themes will emerge. All right. So you review themes by examining the relationship of the quotes and the entire data set, forming the thematic network. So out of the concepts, the different categories that you found, all right, you need to actually put into a map and connect all these pointers together, all these concepts, all right, together. And to define name of each theme after analyzing the overall story. And produce a scholarly report and present the final analysis of the whole thematic network and the themes and quotes extracted that are related to the research question and literature. So put it simply, what you need to do is like a mind map. A mind map where you have a topic, and with the topic you have a different pointers, and out of the main pointers you have sub-pointers. All right, less hands-on and analyze on what we have in hand. All right, let's get away from these slides and go to the transcription. Okay, here I have uploaded these transcripts onto Blackboard. Okay, together with this embedded video. All right, so you can actually download this transcript.doc file. All right. So what we have here is interview transcript, and the topic of this research is on success factors in viral marketing. What makes the viral message successfully reach out to millions of people? So what are the content factors that actually people willing to share to more people? All right, that is the main research. Let's take a look. Okay, of course, this when you conduct an interview, you have to record the main title, where is the venue that you have conducted the interview, and the time and the day, and what type of recording you are having. All right, so this workshop is on how to actually analyze the interview. Right, I will say most of the interviews start with the introductory questions. Let's take a look. By the interview. Hi, good morning everyone. I am the interviewer. Thank you guys for participating in this success of a viral marketing research study. I am doing this focus group for course thesis. You guys can just share your experiences and your opinion, like chat with your friends. So before the start, you can guys introduce yourself. This definitely is just an introductory question. You can actually skip. So up to line 19, then we'll have a transitions type of questions. So the interviewer asks, so the first question will be, what do you think about digital viral? All right, so you can see the topic is on the success factor of a viral marketing, viral messages. So the first question, the real question starts with here. So you must always have a clear mind. The whole research actually to find the success factor of digital viral marketing. So you try to find in the answers where you can find what makes them to share the video, what makes them to actually spread the news, spread the rumors, or spread whatever news article they have. All right, let's go through. The first answer given, digital viral for me is like everyone know it, like the public, like everyone knows there was there and current news in it. Over here, we don't find any success factor. All right, let's skip. P2, line 25. For me, the digital viral is like spread like a viral in the social media. All right, this one also didn't actually review what is the success factor. Let's skip. So like websites can spread very fast, message spread very fast. All right, 就是网上传播的非常快，信息传播非常快。This one also didn't review any success factor. Let's skip. Like a virus, it spread quickly, like person to person, letting users choose and share content with others. 就像病毒一样，在人与人之间迅速传播，让用户自己选择并与人共享内容。This one also didn't actually tell you what is the success factor. So digital viral is a form of online internet media, such as video or images that are shared numerous times, that it has been viewed by many people to the point of becoming viral and mainstream, even the main media platform. So basically, the answer from the first 5 participants didn't really tell what are the factors contribute a viral message. Let's take a look. P6. P6 means participants 6. All right. In research, we try to protect the identity, okay, of the participants. All these are research ethics. So it's better that each respondent is given a pseudonym. Pseudonym means that given like P6 to this person as a name, all right, so people will not know who is P6. All right, that is pseudonym. You can put R6, respondent 4. It's up to you. All right, so let's look at P6. Digital viral is something that happened that in the same time and people spread with it, all of it with the base, like something with they did or something that they like. Surprisingly, the shocking or nice of the viral is where they spread all the social media that is what we call viral. Well, we don't look at the grammar of the sentence, okay? So we try to understand what are the things that this respondent or the participant trying to say. He's trying to say, right, people share and make it viral when they encounter something that is surprising and something that is shocking or nice to see. So here we already have, you already spotted a few main concepts. Okay, so here is like something that evoke emotions, all right, emotions that people feel that wow, this is something really shocking, this is something very surprising, this is something very, very nice. It's nice for me to share with the friends and family, all right. So in this statement, you actually can find surprising. You can actually highlight this and go to your review and insert new comment, all right. So you say this is an emotion, invoked emotion, and the emotion evoked will be, oh, surprise, all right. This is how you actually code. What I'm doing here is coding exercise. I'm categorize the concept into a category, all right. So, and the category is called codes. Okay, I'm doing coding. So the codes I get here is surprise, all right. And let's take a shocking. You can actually double click and hit new command. Okay, this is also emotions evoke. Okay, what is emotion? That is shocking, all right. And also nice. Okay, I will just hit a new command. That is also emotion of feeling, all right. Feeling nice, good feeling, nice, good feeling, all right, or a good feeling. But I would say you try not to actually put in your words, own words, because sometimes people feel you have the same meaning, but if you actually give variety in the word choices, it will mean differently. So if the person say nice, is actually better put exactly as the same thing. Okay, if you want to put your own definition to what you interpret, all right, your own interpretation, you can actually put bracket, all right. So over here, what you can see, even though it's a very short sentence, but it actually contains a few main concepts. It's a success factor, okay, a few factors that actually influence people to share the content and make it viral, all right. First, which is the surprise, all right. Here I have two surprise. Probably I will just remove one. Alright, I cannot remove at the moment. Okay, what I would do, I would just leave it there first. Alright, okay. So here we have a few codes. Okay, first code is surprise. Second code is shocking. Third code is nice. That is codes. Alright, basically in the Excel, alright, I have given you this template also, thematic analysis. So I have two worksheets. Let's go to the coding worksheet. Alright, so now you are good to actually put in line number. This is the line number, which is you can actually put the whole thing, line 38 to 41 or 38 to 41. So line number 38 to 41, all right, and participants P6, all right, and the codes is, which is surprise, and let's take a look. Why I say here I actually found a few emotions. So the emotions actually doesn't really appear in the statement, but it's an emerging theme. So I categorize surprise, shocking, and nice under emotion. So emotion is the theme. It's the theme. So the theme is emotion. Alright. So same goes to your. Okay, I have actually entered a few the codes. Okay, surprise, shocking, nice, and themes. Alright, and the excerpt, the whole sentence where you can find all this. Right?